Dear students, our topic elements of functions or components of functions. So here we are discussing last class what is function, how to write a function, and function body, function name, return type. We are discussing in previous class. Now we are discussing about elements of functions here. Here, any function, whatever it is a system, any function, whatever it is a function, user defined, should contain three main elements. To contain three main elements. What are they here? The first one is function declaration. Function declaration. Function declaration. Second one is function call. Function call. Third one is function definition. Function definition. So are called function called. So function definition, another name is function called. Okay, right. So what is function declaration here? A function declaration basically takes place at the starting of the program. At the starting of the program. The declaring a function can be called as function prototype. A function declaration basically takes place at the starting of the program. Like we are writing like every program starting with like a main. Okay, main. But with the function declaration, we are writing above main, like in this place. Okay, function declaration. Okay, a function declaration basically the starting point of the program. Okay, above main, like the function prototype provides information to the compiler about the function, and also it tells the compiler about a function name, return type, and parameters. Okay, so basically prototype is nothing but a sample function that is going to be created. Okay, so before that means the function declaration meaning, so before indication of the C compiler, which type of function are creating, which type of logic are creating in this program. So before intimation, the compiler, the function declaration before information, like we are using add function, like we are using display function, we are using in this show function, like we are before indication, before identify. So that means like identification. Okay, return type and function name, which type of parameters we are using in this program, like in this function. So that is called as a function declaration. So the syntax, function declaration syntax. What is syntax here? Like return type, return type. So what is, we know what is return type, like return type. A function may return a value, means return type, like which type of value return, like integer type or character type. So float type does not return a value, like we are using return type in this place void. Okay, void. Next one is function name. We know that function name is like identification of the function name, like we are declaring like Srivani, also add, show something. Okay, parameter list, parameter list, parameter list. This is function declaration syntax. So this is a syntax of function declaration. Okay, right. Now in this place, example, Like example, integer, integer, sum, bracket begin, like integer comma integer, integer comma integer. We observe that here in this place written type here integer, function name is here sum. So parameters like integer comma integer, we can declare any number of parameters like, okay now. So we want to uh, declare in this place parameters like integer type of values. In this place only accepted uh, and passing values and arguments list like only integer type of values in this place. Okay, right. So terminating a, this is very similar to the function header line, except that except the semicolon. Okay, terminate the semicolon, like in this place semicolon. Okay, semicolon, right. Another example, like this is written type of value, like integer type of function. So now another does not written type of value, like wide display, does not return any values. So we are declaring a wide return type. That means we not, okay, when a function not returns any values, like we are using guide. Okay. So next one is function call. Next one is function call. So function call here, function call. Okay, right. Function call means the function call can be take place anytime, anywhere in the program. The function call can be take place anytime, anywhere in the program. The function call accept the arguments depends on the declaration. Depends on the declaration, like which type of arguments, like integer type. Okay, the actual arguments can be variable type, constant numbers, or expressions. Variable type means like okay, a comma a b, or like constant values like 10 20 1 2 something. This is a constant values, like, okay. So we are using in this place a function parameter list place. A function can be called by the name of the function, and such statements is known as function call. A function can be called by the name of the function, okay, and such statement is known as function call. The syntax here, the function call syntax, like syntax function name, function name parenthesis argument list, argument list, parameters list, yeah, anything. Okay, in this place, like this is the syntax of the function call. So example, what do you think, like a message, message, this is the example of function call. Means function name means here msg message. So this is the empty argument. We want to we want to using arguments. Okay, in this place we are declaring like variables or constant or something. Okay, we don't want arguments and constants like empty function. This is the empty, like, so we want to use like variables and constant values in this place, like that 30 comma 40, 30 comma 40, this is the argument list like parameter. Okay, so this is constant values. So another example, like variables like a comma b. Here we are, here three types of examples. This is, we doesn't want to any values argument list. Here we want to constant type of argument list. We want to variable type of constant arguments list. Okay, so this we are, this type of function we are using we can go to the like empty and constants and add something. Okay, so next one is function declaration. Function definition, like called function. This means like calling function means like which place are we are executing the program, which place are we writing a program. That's time this is called calling the function. Okay, now next one is called function or function name. Okay, next place function definition. Third one is function definition. Function definition. Or like this, the syntax of function definition here. What is function definition? The function definition is the separate module which can be defined the main module or above main module. Okay, so a function definitions ni separate module antunnam manam. Okay, like this is s function, like this is separate module. So in this s function, like in this place we are entire we are using any statements and any logic and any code. Okay, like a main function. So uh, what is using main function, what are using in this main function, like every programs like this is in this place we are a variable declaration. Okay, function calls and logic code, everything in this place using in this, as well as we are using in this s function. In this s function, same place are using, same things are using in this place, same place are in this place using. Okay, same as is. Okay, this is called a user defined function. This is called a user defined functions, like okay, the function name is like s. Okay, this is function definition called function. Okay, so after that we are using a small example, function definition. The function definition will present only one time with the formal parameters. Okay, the formal parameters of the function definition must be variable type. Variable type. Okay, right. The syntax. We go to the syntax, like function definition, like return type, return type, function name, parameter list, parameter list. This is syntax of body, as well as like function body, local variables, L variable, and statements, semicolon, return statement, okay, flower bracket close. So this is the syntax of function definition. So return type, like we already we know that what is function. Uh, okay, return type in this place is declared like integer, character, float. Function name is like variable, just like a variable identification, like identifiers, like the function, how to identify a function, a function, show function, like display function, message function, some functions. Okay, like a name, parameter list, like okay, parameter list like integer type of values or arguments. Okay, in the place local variables a comma b, x comma some values with local variables, like statements, printf, scanf, something we are using in this place. Return type, which type of values will return a function, like here we can for example, in this place we are return a value like 10. Okay, the parameter list go parameter list go to like arguments, variables, like the function which function is calling, the ఏ ఫంక్షన్ కి అయితే కాల్ చేసామో ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి రిటర్న్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్ మనం రిటర్న్ టైప్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంట, రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కింద తీసుకుంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏబో స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది అనుకో, ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఏ కామా బి అనే వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అక్కడ అవి పాజ్ చేస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ఇది ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అందులో పాస్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఈ పైన ఎబోవ్ పైన లో ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి పైన ఉన్న దానికి కాల్ పంపిస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ ఆ ఫంక్షన్ పంపించేస్తుంది, రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం క్లియర్ గా తెలుసుకుందాం ఇప్పుడు. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, function example, like sum wide show wide display. This is function declaration, and main flower bracket begin flower and function just to display. This is called as function call. Next one, wide display flower bracket begin, like printf welcome flower bracket close. So we are using in this case also printf, like printf hello. Okay, wide. Okay, this is the function compute function program. Okay, so discussing about that, right? Wide display, this is the function declaration. So function elements, the first one is the function declaration before identification of the compiler. Okay, before intimation. So which type of function we are using in this program? Like a display function, we doesn't want any return type values, like void. Okay, don't want any return type values, like we can declare, we go to the void type values, void return type of values. Okay, next one is, we know that main function, every function, every program compulsory, every program starting with a main, like main. Okay, bracket begin, this is the main, flower bracket begins. Display means here function call. Function f call means like function call. Second one is, first one is declaration, function declaration fd. Okay, function call means మనం ఏ ఫంక్షన్ అయితే కాల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం, అంటే ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం, అప్పుడు ఇది ఎప్పుడైతే ద కంపైలర్స్ రీడ్ డిస్ప్లే ఫంక్షన్ కాల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ కాల్. ద కంపైలర్ గో టు వైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకే, ఇది ఎప్పుడైతే కాల్ చేసిందో అక్కడికి ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. అప్పుడు ఇది ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఇందులో ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా, అప్పుడు ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదు. ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ద ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. హలో, ఫస్ట్ వెల్కమ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ కమ్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ హలో output is coming. Okay, so because of the first the compiler reading display function, the function ఇది పిలిచేది డిస్ప్లే అనేది కాల్ చేస్తుంది, డిస్ప్లే అనేది దానికి రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది, పిలుస్తుంది. ఇది ముందు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాము, ఇది కాల్ చేస్తుంది, ఇది దానికి రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, అందుకోసం ఇది డిక్లరేషన్, కాల్డ్, కాల్ ఫంక్షన్, కాల్డ్ ఫంక్షన్, పిలువబడేది, ఇది పిలిచేది అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, this is the example of it.